Hi and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my crispy chicken wings. Now it's really simple. There's some nice easy steps for you to follow and you will get great results every time. You're watching Big Al's Barbecue. Let's get to it. So what I've done to this point is really quite simple, but it just makes such a big difference when you're trying to get that crispy skin. I hate flabby skin on chicken wings. It's like, oh, it's disgusting. I don't want to eat it. I don't know why anyone else wants to eat it, but you know, what I'm going to show you today will hopefully get you around that problem. And then when you give people your chicken wings, when you're watching the game or whatever you're doing, hopefully this will give you like the fantastic chicken wings. So all I've done is lightly coated each of the chicken wings in corn flour or corn starch as it's sometimes known. And what this helps do is basically take the moisture out of the chicken wing. So because when it comes to crispiness, it's that moisture, it's that water, that wetness that is going to stop you getting a crispy chicken wing. So we're going to do everything we possibly can do to try and get rid of that moisture basically. So like I said, first thing I've done, lightly coated this in corn flour. Then, and I've used Malcolm Reed's HowtoBBQright. I've used his barbecue rub on these because it comes out amazing. I proper love that rub. So again, I've given a decent coating of these, of that rub over these wings. I've done both sides, but you'll note that I've left the presentation side upwards. And the reason being is that the next step I've then done is I put these in the fridge. Now I did these yesterday evening and I've left them in the fridge overnight. And basically what it does is air dries these chicken wings. Again, just getting rid of that moisture, trying to give these the best chance possible to be crispy. And then I've literally got them out of the fridge and brought them out here, to put them straight on the smoker. So the best thing we can do, because they're nice and cold now, and again that aids the crispiness as well, best thing we can do is stick these straight on the smoker. So let's do that. So today I'm using cooking pellets and I'm using their black cherry. These pellets are fantastic. Please go and check out their website and get yourself a bag today. Now the Traeger's running at 350. With chicken there's just no messing around. There's no medium or anything like that with chicken. It's got to be cooked properly. So chicken is food safe at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But with these chicken wings we're going to take them up to 190, 200. If I stopped at 165, yet they'd be cooked, but you wouldn't have that crispy skin. You need to take it right up to, like I say, 190, even 200. The chicken will still be moist, so don't worry about that at all, but you'll get that skin that you're after. These are going to take, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes, maybe an hour tops. We'll check on it to keep an eye on them, make sure they're okay. The other thing, as you can see, that's quite important is the presentation side I put down. So that's basically where the heat's going to come from, and so that's the side I want to crisp up more than anything else. When I check them later, if I need to, I'll flip them over, but for the time being, presentation side down, get that heat whacking on it, get that skin nice and crispy, and we're good to go. Right, let's check back in a little while. So it's been an hour since we put these on. During that time, I put the temperature up to 375. I didn't feel they were crisp enough, so I've put the temperature up a little bit. Plus, I want to make sure that they are properly cooked. But let's temp them, see what they're like. I'm using my Inkbird. Okay, so they're temping around 205 to 210, so that's perfect, exactly where I want them. They will still be nice and juicy inside. Let's get them out, put them on the board and have a look. tell you what, look at that. That looks absolutely stunning. The colour on those, don't know if you can hear that in the mic, just how crunch that is. And if I break one of these apart, you can tell they're still nice and juicy and moist inside, but thoroughly cooked through, which is what you want at the end of the day. Oh, I love that. Does that bite properly though? I have to swallow quickly. So, the flavour on that, the crispness of the skin, oh, that is beautiful. I'm so pleased with these. But I like to do one step further, so I like to sauce those. So let's do that next. So saucing is exactly what it says on the tin. So I'm going to take a load of these. I'm not going to do all of them because the kids quite like them as they are. And I have to share, just so I'm such a great dad, you know it is, you know. Got to share with the kids. Well, to be honest, they're just going to take it, so I might as well just surrender at the beginning. But anyway, that's my life. So I put a few of these in. And I've got Meat Mitch, and this is his table sauce, so kind of like just standard barbecue sauce, but if you've got a favourite, go for it. And I like to put just a little bit of sauce on there. And then making sure I've got obviously gloves, and I've got heat gloves on underneath as well. Should have said that before I took them out the smoker. Give them a good old toss. And we are good to go. Look at that. And that is a thing of beauty, even if I say so myself. Right, fantastic. Like I say, still moist. Still got that crunchy skin. Probably got sauce around my face. Still that crunchy skin, but you got that lovely barbecue sauce on top of it. Fantastic. Look, you've been watching Big Al's Barbecue. If you like this video, please subscribe, put your notifications on, check out my other videos, and if you've got any thoughts or comments, please leave those below. I always try and reply to everyone who's taken the time to watch my videos and make a comment. Until the next video, I'll see you then.